Tired of those extra login hoops on your PlayStation 5? Let's ditch two-step verification, but do it smarter. Alright, first things first, head to your PS5's home screen and navigate to the settings icon. It's the little gear-shaped icon on the top right. Once you're in settings, scroll down and select users and accounts. This section manages everything related to your profile. Next, select account and then tap on the account options. Once again, this gets us closer to the security settings. Now, inside the account section, go to security. Here's where we can manage two-step verification. You'll see the two-step verification option, likely currently enabled. Tap on it to reveal the control menu. Here, you will find an option to disable two-step verification. Select it. The PS5 will likely ask you to confirm this action. Be sure to review the disclaimer of changing this setting because this is a security risk to your account. Confirm to disable two-step verification, and that's it. Two-factor authorization is now off. Remember, this makes your account easier to access, but also more vulnerable. Consider using complex passwords and regularly changing them. If you chose to do this, stay safe and subscribe for more PS5 tips.